Hi and welcome to CTEK. My name is Åsa Johansson, and in this video I will talk about this light and what it means when it's blinking. This is the power light, and when it lights up it means that you have connected to a power outlet and there is power going into the charger. But if it's blinking after 2 minutes, it means that it is getting power but it cannot find a battery to charge. Please check your connection point so that the clamps are connected properly. If you have connected the clamps properly and the charger still can't detect the battery, the voltage in the battery may be too low. Because of the charger's built-in safety features, the battery needs to have a charge level of at least 1.5 to 3 volts to start, depending on the charger model. If your charger has supply mode, you can use this to bring your battery up over the safety level, then change to the regular charge mode and charge the battery as usual. So just activate the supply mode, leave it on for about a minute and then switch to the charging mode. Remember though, that when activating supply mode, the clamps are no longer spark-free, so please be careful when connecting them and do not touch them together. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.